I believe giving myself 3 trades helps out a lot because the first trade, it could be a fake out, and the second trade could also be a fake out regarding my strategy. And then I'll give myself that last bullet to see if I can just break even because I try to go for a 1 to 2. For some reason, I can't hold for 1 to 3, 1 to 4. I mean, I dream about it, but realistically, I know myself. I can't hold after 1 to 2. When I see that, it's like, I think that's good enough and just close it out.
That's fine.
Right.
I mean, people make bread off 1 to 1.
I know, man.
And low key, they make bread.
Right.
And I've been trying to figure that out for the last 2 years.
Hey, low key, I mean, if you look at your strategies, like most of the time it does go to 1 to 1, to be honest. You look at it, like
at least,
right? That's the word right there. At least. Like if you think about it, if I only took 1 to 1s all this year,
smacking,
at least
100% win rate.
My profit levels would be a lot higher than trying to go for that 1 to 2 and try to balance out things. But
it's very tricky.
It is. It's all individual.
And it's like you'll never know unless you get in there and do it yourself.
Yeah.
You lose the trade.
Right. Yeah. Because, I mean, let's be real. This is like one of the hardest things I ever done in my life. Hardest. Because, like I said before, when you're losing, you're just not losing at a game. You're losing and losing money. So it's taken away from your future. It's like a lot of things that goes into your head.
It's like, yeah, I mean, ever since you're born, right? Like, what does money mean to you, right?
Right, yeah.
So it's all of that.
Yeah, you cherish
all the memories. Right? You know? It's like everything. Flashback.
Yeah, terrible flashback, bro. But I mean, I wouldn't do anything else besides this, though, to be honest. Like, I see a real bright future in this. Just got to stay around long enough, right? You don't want to... You can lose. You got to be a good loser. But you can't lose it to the point where you can't get back into the game, right? Stay in the game long enough. Most of these great traders, they have a lot of years behind their belts, right?
Yeah. I mean, listen, this would be my advice for traders is to stay alive, right? Everyone's trying to make bread, trying to make money. Yeah, you'll make money. It'll come.
Yeah.
But don't burn your account.
Right.
That's the ultimate name of the game.
Right. Even demo trade, you know? I have friends, I won't say any names. They literally would not trade unless it's a challenge account or live funds. They won't demo trade.
That's the worst.
That's worse, right?
And because
it's
because
they're like, bro, it doesn't make
matter.
sense. It doesn't
Stop making
matter.
me money.
Yeah, it's like, bro, I can make so much money during demo. I was like, yeah, but your risk is shit. That's like you gotta try to take it real. Right.
It's not real bread.
Right.
Right.
Exactly.
It's like it's all fake.
Yeah, exactly.
And even if it's real or fake, right?
Right.
Because that's a big discussion, right?
Yes.
A lot of people, prop firm money is fake or whatever, you know, right? But listen, real or fake, do you have the skill?
Yes.
That's all that matters.
Yes.
Are you getting paid? Is there a payout coming?
Exactly. It's from the skill. All that little chatter in between doesn't mean shit,
exactly.
bro.
People spend way too much time in that.
Yeah. Twitter, bro. Are you on Twitter at all?
Oh, yeah.
Man, it's the #1 source for drama, bro.
Fake beef.
Yeah,
it's all fake.
Bro, everyone's a lawyer in there. They have an opinion.
Shit.
And you just need to worry about your own charts and your skill, right? If you don't have the skill, just say it. Don't bash anyone else about it, right? Don't say something because it's not working.
It's like all your time and energy you typing up this mean tweet. Bro. It's like, what are you doing with your life, my guy?
I know that took an hour, bro.
Why are you hating?
Right. You're not getting that back, bro. An hour worth of time is gone.
It's crazy. How do you stay positive when there's a lot of, noise, a lot of hate?
Man, I got a good rock, bro. I got my wife. She's my everything, right? If going through any kind of trials and tribulation, we pray a lot. I'm not a super religious person, but I do believe in, the higher up. I believe in manifesting. I believe in trying to speak anything out into the world. And what we do before like every meal, every night, we try to pray for our loved ones, anything that we can think of, whether they're financially, physically, spiritually, their health or anything. We put that into the world. But then when I have my lower moments, and I have them a lot during trading, bro. I have them a lot.
Yeah.
And, I actually try to be honest with her about it, of how I feel. And every single time she's just so supportive, bro. Because sometimes I feel like a bum when you're losing, not making any money.
your dad's voice in your ear just comes in your head. You're like, what, you're still doing that?
Right,
You're still doing that trading?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Told you to quit that shit, man. That's not real. But
9 to 5.
yeah, but during my lowest moments, bro, I can always lean on her. I can lean on my mom. I'm my mama's boy.
Me too, man. No cap.
Yeah. Hey, shout out to all the moms, man. But
really,
I lean on both of those women, and I'm good, bro. You know, because like I may not be where I want to be financially or any other physically. I want to get bigger too and stuff like that. But I just know that like I'm on the right path, and just like how you said, stay in the game. Just stay in the game long enough. Something's going to happen, because I stayed in the game for over 2 years, and now I'm doing a podcast with you and TFT.
Yeah.
It's a surreal moment.
This is the beginning.
Me. Yes. Yeah.
And like you said, you're going to keep trading. So.
Yes. It's always about the next trade. You can hit TP, you can hit stop loss, you can, have your risk management all on point, but
don't let it get to your head.
No, it's all about the next trade. It's about that skill, like you said.